Lucy knows what I keep in this drawer right here. Right here. You got these dog toys. Look at her. Look at her. You want something? Barkley knows in here too, but Barkley don't like them as much as she does, these squeaky toys. Let's see if I can cut one off here. Using one hand. Barkley, get off of me. Barkley, get off of me. I want to get one out at a time once they wear out. Don't you go crazy. I decided to go ahead and get Barkley one too. Yeah. He should have the green one. What? What we got here? You want one too? Can't leave you out, can I? Can I? Even though you don't play with them that much. Get it. Get it. He's playing one that wasn't squeaking, so I figured I'd give him one.